Let's see, what else could we do? Let's use a line. So I'm gonna put a line, and I'm immediately just gonna put random 128, random 128, and what color should we draw the line in? What would look good? About 14. I don't know. So let's draw a random line, and let's draw a bunch of them. So I'm just gonna copy this line. So the way the line function works, here it is, line over here. So you give it one x and y pair of coordinates, and you can give it an optional another pair. So it's going to draw a line from this point on the screen to this point on the screen. But you can also just pass it like a point, and then it will string it with the previous line that you have drawn, previous point that the line had been drawn to, previous point that the line had been drawn to. So it's always going to start from 0. So it's going to start from this corner, because I haven't added one. I guess I could tell it to start from 64, 64. Let's do that. So it's going to start from the center, and then it's going to randomly pick any point on the screen to draw a squiggle on, and it's going to draw a bunch of squiggles in pink, and then it's going to draw this circle after it. So now I'm layering stuff and putting things below things. Let's see what this does. Yeah, it's doing something. It looks like something. It looks like some kind of modern art. I'm not really sold on the colors. Let's see, what else can we do? How can we change this and make it nicer? Maybe instead of this guy being so green, get something else. Right? I like that. So what do we have here? We have a circle, we have a line, and a random function. And we already have some kind of like visual interest that we've managed to coax out of the engine, right? And we have used a bunch of functions by looking at the cheat sheet and just drawing them in here, figuring out what it meant by x, y, coordinate system, like place on the screen. We're sending different commands to the computer. We're telling it where exactly to draw every single circle. We're telling it to sort of roll dice and like collect numbers and plug them in randomly, and that is creating some kind of something. We can use simple math to adjust how much something is constrained, right? So I like that a little better. It looks more dangerous that way. Maybe we can draw another circle. Over here. 127, 127. Let's make this one wobble too. And let's make it a little bit smaller. There we go. I think it needs one more. 127, 127. 27. Alright, so what else can we do here? Let's look at some other things we can get. Pixel set. Let's look for pixel set. P-set. P-set XY color. Get or set the color C of a pixel at X and Y. So let's throw some dots on this field. Let's put the dots. Let's put them right under the line. So over here, I'm gonna say P-set. And again, I want random dots. So I'm just gonna, basically same function as the line, but we're just gonna throw dots. We're not gonna connect the lines. So let's make this orange. And let's actually no. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna copy this without a color at the end. So I'm gonna draw a bunch of dots. Completely random dots. I'm gonna define the color right before it with the color function. So where's color? Set the current color to be used by drawing functions. If color is not specified, the current color is set to 6. You can change the color to something. So let's make it, what did we say? We said 9. Make it orange. For everything that comes after it. And then these functions have their own color defined over here, so they don't care. So let's run this guy. All right, so there's some orange dots in the background. That's neat. It's not super interesting, I guess. What if that snow that we kept throwing there stayed there? So let me see. We can totally do that, because see, we were drawing over and over and over again, but at the beginning of every draw call, we clear our screen and paint it dark blue. But what if we just deleted this here and put it above everything, so that when this program first starts, it will clear the screen and paint it that dark blue, and then the drawing function that runs on top of it will draw all of these things forever. So let's see what that looks like. Oh boy, that is fun. What if we move this guy, whoa, on the other side of the line? And actually, we don't need this many pixels. I feel like it's drawing them too fast. And then paint it in this dark blue color, so that it kind of eats it away in a different direction. Actually, it kind of keeps adding to it. Yes, I really do enjoy this. It's not super interesting, I guess. Very quickly it becomes kind of a mess. But it's not that bad. Like this is an interesting abstract composition. Wait, this is the wrong color. Maybe that's why I don't like it. What if one of these was white? That's fun. That's more interesting. So see, that's kind of like a process of creation with orders given to a computer to throw something on the screen. And everything else that we're going to do from this point out is just a complication of this little program. So let's save this thing before we forget. So hit escape, type save, and give it some name. I'm going to call this circles in outer space. Bam.